Well, hello there. So nice of you to join me on another video featuring me and my hair, my natural hair journey, and whatever products I decide to use. Today, we're trying a product from Product Junkie Naturals, so stay tuned and see what it does for me. I just wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally, I wanna be free, finally, finally. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try another product from Product Junkie Naturals. So if you were paying attention to my previous video, you know I unboxed some things from my Black Friday order. And one of those items is this Product Junkie Naturals Frolicious Kink Drink. Y'all, let me tell you, I've heard so much about this prior to me trying it, and every time I try to order it before, it was always sold out. But I got my hands on a bottle of this, and I'm wondering, should I have ordered more? Because as I pour this, y'all, right now, from me just feeling this, I can already feel that this is going to have plenty of slip, and it feels pretty lightweight. It's not sticky. It's nice and smooth. All in all, I love the consistency of it so far. So, I should have ordered more. But smelling this, y'all, this smells good. To me, this reminds me of something tropical, and look how it pours out. Now normally this comes in a spray bottle, but because the shortage on just products and bottles and containers and everything due to COVID, even some ingredients is hard to find now that make up a lot of the products that we use every day. So anyway, so normally this would come in a spray bottle, and from consistency I can see it would spray out of a spray bottle just fine. But since I poured it onto my hands, I see no problem with it. I mean, it doesn't like come pouring out super fast, and look how it smooths onto my hair. This is very lightweight. That's the other thing. I couldn't really explain it. I was thinking about it. I'm like, this is super lightweight. I know I'm coating my hair with something because it's coating it, but it's not weighing it down at all. But the consistency of it is like that of a lotion almost. I couldn't really explain it, but whatever it was, it's all good.
This is nice and light, yet super hydrating. My strands are drinking it up. Must be why it's called Kink Drink.
Yep, that's why they call it kink drink, because it literally soaks into your strands. Seriously. So back to the smell of this. This reminds me of maybe a pina colada, something tropical. The smell is wonderful, but it's not a strong smell. It's not a smell that's going to stick around like 2 days later. Now I'm saying this because clearly I'm doing this voiceover after I've already done my hair. If you have low porosity hair like I do, I strongly suggest this product, and I see why it's so popular because, again, it does not weigh down the hair, yet it does moisturize it. Now I know I'm using a detangling brush, but honestly I don't even need this because you see how it's just gliding through my hair. That's the other thing about this product. It has so much slip. So now I'm going in with another product I received from my Black Friday order, and that is the jojoba oil infused with rosemary and fenugreek. And I figured this is a better time than ever to use it because I'm doing my hair, so making sure I get that all up in my scalp and my hair. But yeah, I was really trying to pay attention to this dry scalp of mine that I always have issues with. So yeah, so let's go ahead. I think what I'm going to do is just do a twist out. I haven't done it in a really long time. I'm going to do a chunky twist out, so I'll probably do about a total of 8 twists. I like to do the least amount of twists as possible because I do have fine hair, as you can see by the size of my twist. But oh, look at my twist. Do you see the shine? Do you see the shine? I know y'all see that shine. There's no denying the shine in my hair. There's no denying how nicely my fingers glide through my hair as I go through this two-strand twist. And just to give you an idea of what's in this, there is water, castor oil, vegetable glycerin, Kalahari seed oil, agave nectar. Yeah, I mean, it's goodness. And just so you know, I did start on freshly washed and conditioned hair. The directions for this do say spray liberally on dry or damp hair. Do not rinse out, style as desired. So anyway, I think it's pretty cool that you don't have to apply this to damp hair to achieve the results you're looking for. And the results I'm looking for is moisturized hair. So you can clearly see from my face, I'm very pleased with my results so far. How my hair feels. I feel like my hair is hydrated, moisturized, it's soft, it's easy to detangle. There's not much detangling going on at all. Again, I don't even know why I'm using this brush, but I am pleased. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this, and I'll see you at the end for the takedown.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Now, time for the reveal.
You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself.
Already been rubbing all of my hair, but let's go ahead and add some of this jojoba
This is
oil
what I want now. And yeah, I'm
to the
waiting for
fingers.
something better.
And remember, we used this kink drink for the
This
first
is what
time.
I want now.
Only 2
No,
styling
I'll settle
products
for anything else.
in this.
I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. So you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So
What I will tell you so far, my hair is soft, it's hydrated all the way down to the tips.
I can focus. I just need to focus on myself, baby,
How's that for definition of only 8 twists? Now the finger fluff.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? Uh-huh, uh-huh. I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah.
You like? That's it for now. Let me know if you've ever tried any of the products I use for this twist out. Other than that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, stay tuned for more videos using Product Junkie Natural products. I am pleased, as I always am, and also go ahead and check out my Product Junkie Natural playlist right here on the channel to get caught up on everything else I've used. My hair is soft, still has movement, no crusty hold, and moisturize. Anyway, other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses.